Welcome to the glamorous world of Los Angeles where even the cats are influencers. These feline influencers have it all: the perfect outfits, the hottest spots, and the most devoted fans. They're not just influencers, they're trendsetters. They're the ones setting the style for the rest of the world. They're celebrities in their own right, attending exclusive events and rubbing shoulders with the stars. They're living the life of luxury and they're sharing it all with their millions of followers. These cats are more than just influencers, they're a symbol of the city's vibrant and creative spirit. They're living the dream, and they're doing it in style. They're the coolest cats in town, and they're here to stay.